Hi, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I will share with you how to download all Snapchat memories. So right here is the home page of my Snapchat. But before that, remember to update your Snapchat to the latest version using Google Play or App Store depending on your device. Because Snapchat just updated their settings, so if you don't update yours, you might not get this new feature on your Snapchat. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to click on your profile icon. So right here, you click on the girl settings, find at top left corner, scroll gently, click on my privacy and data, click on my data. So right here, you're going to click on export your memory, click on request only memories. So right here, you just have to set your time frame, a particular data that you're looking for. Is it for last year, is it for last 2 years? You just have to set your time frame to request the particular data that you need from your Snapchat. Click on the submit. So right here, this page shows you that your data is being processed and you're going to receive the data to be sent to the Gmail that is connected to your Snapchat, the Gmail that is linked to your Snapchat. So it might be in hours, it might be in days. Just keep checking your Snapchat, and when you see that, all you have to do is to download it to your file. So guys, that is it on how to download all Snapchat memories if this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.